What if a company buys a patent and then decides not to enforce it for a while? Should that render the patent invalid? Are they allowed to simply choose one person that they're going to sue or one company that they're going to bring a lawsuit against and ignore the rest of the marketplace? Yes. This is very different from trademark law, where failing to enforce your rights can result in invalidity of those rights in some circumstances. The patent context is very different, and the reasons why we have a patent is different from the reason why we have trademark. With the patent right, this is something where there's a disclosure to the public of how to make and use the invention in the patent application. And in return, you get these exclusive rights to make, use, sell, import, and all of the other rights that you get under a patent. That right can be bought and sold to others, and you don't have to bring a lawsuit against others to continue to enforce your right. You already paid the price when you either disclosed that information to the public in your patent filing, or you paid the purchase price to the person who made that disclosure.